Ever struggled to quickly join a Telegram group or log in on another device? Let me show you the easiest way to scan a QR code directly within Telegram. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your phone. This method works on both Android and iOS devices. Now, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping the three lines or the settings icon at the bottom of the screen, then locate and select Devices. On the Devices screen, you will see the option Link Desktop Device. Tap on this button. Telegram will now activate your phone's camera and display a QR code scanner. Position the square over the QR code you want to scan. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, Telegram will automatically process the information. And that's it. You've successfully scanned the QR code with Telegram. Now you can enjoy Telegram on multiple devices. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.